Kum Shibenta ke jeng rakhe ke jeng dap san posnem ka jeng yo ela ke jong ke Jylla Bapura ka Meghalaya. La saki ke jeng rakhe ke babun rukom ke bala penlong daki kenhuan bat kitanat sarkar boper hakini gisngi ke bala lej. Kani ke jeng rakhe kadang yai beteng hakini ke tayoru henrei kelalong haka wei pat ke rukom ka bakamper da ke bapen inam ya kidur ke barim baja ke balese ke pateng bamenta ke 4 juyoi. Harga santrik mentau benai jemang arhajar arpuar ka INTACH Meghalaya chapter ke leple patba ke lumpung penina mikidur ki barim baja ki balasyan nadu shwa banyo ke Jylla lejong ki balasi ki babun kim 4 GE ki kidur ki bakambon ki badai haki black and white. Harga jingelang pli ke lumpung ke belatip kum ke iconic exhibition photos of interest ke belane arbenai. Laidon rengkat ru menteri rang ba ke Jylla Konrad Kongkal Sangma ubelalong kongsan rengkat ke jingadon lang u commissioner bat secretary ke Jylla ubakmi ya ketenat jengok kai perthai u Vijay Kumar u director ketenat jengok kai perthai u ba Cyril Dingdo ke convener jong ke INTACH Meghalaya chapter i Dr Madeline Waitham uwe ni ginong shondur ubalarim tam ke Jylla u Ahmed Hussein bat kiwe de ke belasha khot ngobha. Harga ni lumpung penina mikidur ki belasyan nado san pos nam menchua lapun iru ikidur ki barim tam kentup nado kidur jeng ki jingtai barim ki lum kiwa kidur jeng ki riu san perthai kidur jeng ki menteri rang ba adu barim kari kum ke Indira Gandhi badu Rajiv Gandhi kidur jong ki menteri rang ba barim ke Jylla Meghalaya kidur jong ki tengshop ki puran ki barim ke Bollywood ki balawan yo kejat manchna film harga ni ke Jylla bat kiwe Bat ikini kidur baro la ais ngobha dau Ahmed Hussein bat kibahayang basem jang ki reu san perthai barim bat kiwei.
Ini kidur kumbanga keren mene hapok ka kinud address hindai ngimdan phone ngimdan camera he Mr Hussein he ila prafulai snam menta and to potang sudan function a ki wan ki banabar kumjong pop it like hot by Mr Hussein when shandur all over the place and to document. So this is a documentation of the history of the state which was not seen before. Tiki bun ki khna jongin like I don't think they know that we've had 6 to 8 other chief ministers in the state, so we want to remember because their contribution as leaders of the state is also important. Then it's just a kind of a kaleidoscope about Meghalaya. Then you see your natural heritage, the carvings, Kisendai caves, all these are there. Then our flora and fauna, which is so precious, is there displayed in the exhibition. Then we have our dances, our costumes, then the different visitors of the state, right from the Pope and the different prime ministers, presidents of the country have visited our state, and of course the movie stars, all the famous movie stars coming for filming to Shillong with our, respected local, people in the government. So it was really nice to see those moments and capture those moments and to share it with the public, So we hope that it'll be educative, entertaining, and help them understand the history of Meghalaya better.